Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol XXII. We will take a look at the daily time frame. I wanted to do this time frame as the chart from a technical perspective is really approaching a very, very important level, and this is a pretty universal level as far as charts are concerned. Yeah, there's some components where people disagree. No, I don't think so, or yeah, I don't use that tool. But as far as where the price is currently standing at, like I said, pretty universal. And even if you have just a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200-day simple moving average. And you know that when the price is above it, assuming you're bullish, of course, you want to see the price stay above it because that's a very important level from a technical perspective. And on my chart here, that is exactly where the price is in regards to that pink line there, which is what my chart denotes as the 200-day simple moving average. Again, I don't want to come across like this is some sort of secret discovery or revolutionary discovery on my part. Nothing like that at all. Anybody that uses charts, anybody that understands charts is going to be noticing the same thing and essentially be having the same question going forward, which is this key level of support actually going to be able to hold as support, or the bears is getting warmed up to create, even more bearishness on the chart, by pushing down below that pink line, and then worse yet, continuing to separate to the downside. I have no idea. A chart's not a crystal ball. However, what it is telling us is that the price is at a very important level, that does have a bit of a self-fulfilling prophecy dynamic, surrounding it. So ideally speaking, yeah, you definitely want to see that pink line hold going forward. In the event it does not hold, I do want to map out some next potential areas of support as far as the chart is concerned. For that, going to scrunch up the chart here a bit. So as far as next areas of support in the event the pink line does not hold, next key level right down there around the $2.15 mark. So preferably speaking, price stays above the pink line there. But if that doesn't hold, I'm not saying within a day or two it's going to be down at 215. But, there's really no other areas of support that could potentially drop any sort of continued bearish momentum. But as it stands right now, you can see the price. Let me zoom back in here a little bit. Price got relatively close to that area, and you can see got a small little shadow here down at the bottom of that candlestick. So a little miniature bounce there, but that's definitely the key dynamic going forward is, this pink line here and whether or not the price can hold above the 200-day simple moving average. So we shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.